Hello, my name is Felicia and I'm with Camp Cares in 31. Today I'm going to show you our Get Creative crate, and I'm going to show you the ins and outs of this bag. And I just want to let you guys know it's a Hostess exclusive. So if you are interested in purchasing, let me know and we will have a party. We could do a catalog party or a Facebook party or an in-home party. So just let me know. We'll go over this. I'm going to show you some comparisons with some of the other parts of our Get Creative line to kind of show you guys for size comparison. If you do own one already, then you can know what the size, the size is and how much this actually holds. So bear with me and we'll go in and out of the bag and how much it holds and all those good things, okay? So here is the Get Creative crate. I have mine personalized here with Imagination Can Take You Anywhere. And I just want to show you guys the size. Look at how big this thing is. It's awesome. It's awesome in size. You can see here it has two handles for carrying, so that makes it super easy. Once you really pack that thing up, you can pick it up really easy. Now on the outside, you'll see here, we have 3 mesh pockets. So you have one that's the length of the bag, okay? And then you have 2 up here at the top. Now the 2 do not go all the way down. If you are interested, you can see that it just stops right there. And then you've got the long one here, which is nice because it'll help with the organization. If you have scissors you want to stick in here, maybe your crochet needles or your knitting needles, those fit perfect in there. Now, I'm not sure, I just want to show you guys kind of a comparison. If you have seen our Get Creative PVC pockets, our pouches, here is the slim pouch. So just to kind of show you for reference, the length. So if you've got your crochet needles or you were considering putting them in here, this will fit perfect right there. Okay, and then we also have our round. That will fit right in there. If you have our rectangle, that will fit in there. It's a little bit smaller. When you pack this thing down, it will fill out. I just have it empty for now just to kind of show you guys the bag, right? The other side is really nice because there's a lot of organization set up here. You've got pockets here, so you've got 1, 2, 3. So you could put your pins here, you could put your markers, your knitting needles here as well. Now you'll see that this stops right here, okay? So it doesn't go all the way down. So let me see if I can find a pin to show you for reference. Okay, here's one. There, it's like the perfect size, okay? So there's just a regular size pin, and you can see that just there at the bottom, okay? And you've got 3. Then you have another pocket here. So this pocket is great for a round or whatever you would like to stick in there. Now here you have another pocket. This one actually does go all the way down to the bottom. So if you have your taller items, will fit very nice and secure here. Now I like that about these pockets because they are nice and snug. So if you have things and they're not going to just go flying out when you take your crate with you or as you're moving it around. They are going to stay nice and secure in there. Here we have another pocket. You can see it has a Velcro closure. So you can keep your items nice and secure there that you want to keep handy, but also want to keep secure, okay? So you can see these rounds really fit anywhere. It's really nice that they thought of everything. Now, let's just look at the bag. So here you'll see it has a Velcro closure, okay? And then it zips. So your zippers go all the way to the back. And then it just opens up for you. Now, this thing really opens up for you. Now, it has a divider here that is removable, okay? So it has the Velcro on either side, and then it is adjustable. So you can put it anywhere you like from here to here, Okay, so you can make this really slim divided, you can make it wider, or you don't have to have it in there at all. It really is up to you, and I love that they afford you that flexibility and versatility as well. Now it does have a harder bottom. Oh, I forgot something, you guys. The front. Oh my gosh, how could I forget? So this actually is a pocket up here. But not only is a pocket, it's removable. That is awesome. So let's say that you've got your projects and you just want to keep them. This is actually has 2 button snaps. So you open it up here and then it opens like this. Now you'll see here we've got a mesh pocket that goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. It's the width of the bag. And then you've got this flap here that could work as a workspace. It can stay attached. It has, it actually comes, it detaches as well. How cool is that? So you've got, let's open this up here. You've got one pocket here. And then you've got another pocket over here. So that is nice because they are separated here, so you can keep your items organized however you would like. And then, you could even take this off and just throw it inside. It fits in there. So it doesn't have to be on the outside. How cool is that? I love that. So then it just, you would zip it back on the bottom and then just snap it back here to reattach it. So this alone gives you 2 pockets, and then it gives you the other one on the front. Okay, and that is the full length height of the actual front here. Now, just imagine that I zip the bottom back up. For time, I'm just gonna snap it. So right here, you've got 1, 2, 3, and then you had the pocket back here. So that's 4 just in the front. And then you've got your big open compartment here. So you can really customize this however you want. You'll see I stuck this kind of towards the back to make it a slim line. I want to show you guys, I keep forgetting to show you our Get Creative sleeve. I did not know how big these were until I saw it for myself. This will hold like your 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. It's a nice good size. You can have it embroidered if you do and have it personalized. It would fall front, auto-centered and auto-sized right there. And then it has a clear PVC pocket on the back so you can see what's inside. What's nice is it fits right in here as well. So let's just say that we've got this back here because we want to keep it separate. You see how that just stays there? How nice is that, right? And then we've got, let's just say we've got our binder. We've got a 1-inch, just a regular 1-inch binder. That fits in there nicely too. You see that? That's nice because you can keep your stuff really organized and separated however you choose, okay? Now, let's say you have a Get Creative caddy. That will fit in here. Now, let's say you've got a Get Creative case. Mine's really loaded down, okay? That will fit in there as well. Now look how much space we have. We've got the caddy, we've got the case, we've got our sleeve, we've got a binder. We can throw in our slim pouch with all of our washi tape. We can get like 4 or 5 of these and have all our washi tape in here because if y'all are like me, I have a washi tape obsession. I don't know why, but I do. Every time I see it, I gotta get it. And then we've got a rectangle you can stick in there. You can put a couple of them in there. There's a lot of height. Here is a cylinder. No, here's a cylinder. So you guys, you can really customize these bags. You can really load them down. They hold so much. It is so nice because you can really stick all your stuff together. I don't know about you, but now I'm trying to get all my stuff, my scrapbooking and crafting stuff is everywhere. So now I can organize it, get it all together. Look, and it's so nice and sturdy and everything fits in this bag if I want it to. And then, I've got my carry-all as well. So, with these they really did think of everything. It will really keep you organized. It keeps all your scrap. It doesn't have to just be crafting, right? It could be your kids' toys. Oh my gosh, your toys everywhere. I have toys everywhere. What a great way to keep all the toys organized. If you're going on a trip, wouldn't this be cool to load it up with all of your kids' toys and keep you busy while you're on the road, and just stick it in the seat and let them put it on the floorboard, let them have at it. I mean, whatever. This is just a great way, great line to keep you organized. Just to show you guys how these work. So this is the cylinder. It's nice because you can see what's inside. Really put whatever you want in there. Ribbon, if you have like ribbons, you can get a few of these and keep your ribbon in there. If you have like a project that you're doing with crochet and you want to keep your extra yarn in here, you can do that. And then here is our round. This is a good size too. You can put your brads, you can put your sticky notes, you can put, I have my daughter's hair ties in one, her rubber bands, whatever you want to use these for. The washi tape, it could be pins, it could be needles, crochet needles, it could be whatever, markers, whatever you want to put in there. And then the rectangle. Now they all open up, they all have clear so you can see what's inside. So that's nice, you don't have to label, you just have to look and see what's in there. It's awesome. If you guys have any questions, I will put a link down below to my website. Like I said, the crate is a Hostess exclusive only, so we'll have to party to get one. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. If you like this video, if it gives you any ideas of the size, some ideas of what to use it for, give me a like. If you're interested in being subscribed to my channel and seeing when I upload more videos, I'd love to have you. Just hit subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and I'll let you know when I upload a next video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.